So we are at the Northern Virginia Community College Annandale campus at the annual Scam Jam event. Scam Jam is an anti-fraud and prevention event for older adults that's sponsored by AARP and the Fairfax County Silver Shield Anti-Scam Campaign. Well, it's an event that's geared towards building community awareness around elder fraud and issues related to scams and older adults. The theme this year is prevention, protection, and prosecution. We want to educate and empower individuals against scams and fraud, do their level best to be educated and informed about resources that are available if they are defrauded. We're actually doing a free film screening of the Heroes of Adult Protection docuseries, which is a groundbreaking new series by the Clowder Group aimed at drawing attention and awareness to adult protective services work, which investigates and supports older adults against abuse, neglect, and exploitation. So Paul Greenwood, which is a nationally renowned speaker on elder abuse prosecution, is joining us and providing the keynote address today. He is a retired San Diego district attorney who has successfully prosecuted over 700 elder abuse cases. And we're honored to be joined by one of our Virginia delegates as well as several members of our Board of Supervisors. We have lots of local, state, and even federal partners that we work with and who have been invited here today to provide resources and information about what they do related to elder abuse prevention and protection efforts.
And we believe that more education is needed because if you can spot a scam, you can stop a scam. So we want individuals of all age groups to be more aware of what the frauds and scams are that are out there so that you can be one step ahead of the criminals. For more information on frauds and scams, you can go to the Fairfax County government website. You can also go to the aarp.org/fraudwatch network website